So YouTube, today I'm going to do a video and a review of the Bracelet 5-in-1. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It comes, one has a knife. I will have another video on that one. But this one, let's open it up and check it out. So now this one, first of all, comes with string, a hook, and a fake worm. Okay, this is the bracelet. One, you can tie it up to another rope and it should be strong enough to hold. Second, you have a whistle just in case you get stranded. That's pretty cool. The whistle's right here. Then you have your compass. Compass, pretty cool. Now you have pretty hard to do, but you see it, the sparks. That's to turn on your fire when you're camping. This is basically a camping tool. Put it and it comes. See it? See the spark? Sparks. So that's it. Put it on. And you have all in one. You get stranded, you blow the whistle, your compass so you can walk around the woods. You have the rope that you can connect to another rope. It's strong enough. And then you have your flint to turn on the fire. Pretty good. In my description, I will have a link on where to buy. There's two different kinds. There's one with a blade, and there's one with, you got the spark on one side. It comes with a blade. And this one, pretty good. See? Now it's getting better. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Well, for camping is awesome. Like and subscribe. Thank you.